And so we're going to move on straight away to Shunsuke. Let me see if Shunsuke is available. Here he is from Sagri. And Sagri really caught our eye because of their approach of using satellite data to analyze soil conditions. So again, I've said enough, Shunsuke, about your technology. It's time for you to tell us more. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hello, I'm Shunsuke Tsuboyo, founder and CEO of Sagri. So we use satellite and AI technology to monitoring farmland. So what is the satellite data? This is a big data monitoring Earth from space, scanning wide area, capturing farmland changes over time. Also use the past data fit for AI technology. In these 5 years, the number of satellites, not only public, also private, is increasing. EU open center to data so we can use for free. Using this technology, we support farmers. What is the problem for farmers? There are various problems. The first one, large-scale farmland is hard to manage. In addition, the price of fertilizer will be double compared to before the pandemic. And soil analysis is necessary to check directly to spread fertilizer properly. But the soil analysis cost is high and take time, which is a troublesome situation. We can solve this problem using Sagri app. Just one touch can register farmland easily. And you can check the growth status over time. We showed the collaboration for easy understanding. In addition, soil analysis from satellite data can be checked instantly for each field and used appropriately for the next year's fertilizer use. Our core technology is these two things. The first one is to analyze soil from satellite image. Second is to create farmland boundaries automatically by AI. AI polygon use the high-resolution satellite data. AI detect farmland, catch the edge of farmland, making polygon. We already patented in Japan, and over 10 countries already applied PCT. Second, soil checking from satellite data. Our CTO, Takeshi Tanaka, Gifu University, associate professor realized it. Presume the soil chemical index, such as total carbon, total nitrogen, pH CC. The key factor is wave range of mid-infrared. We also keep connecting ground soil data for AI training. Accuracy is over 80% to 85%. Also, this technology connected to realize carbon neutral situation from farmland. Through soil analysis using satellite data, possible for farmers to use fertilizer appropriately, not only can use reduce fertilizer costs, but you can also reduce N2O, one of the greenhouse gases, and contribute to prevention of global warming. We will change the old farmland management using satellite and AI and realize carbon neutral for maintenance of farmland. We provide not only for farmers, also for governments and cooperative of farmers, enable them to create the digital agriculture map and manage it. We are MAF Technology Venture, Environment Startup Award from government, UNDP Digital X passed. You ask your country UNDP office. We are ready to start POC for next step. We're waiting for your contact. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, Shunsuke, for a very, very clear picture around the technology. I'm going to jump straight into the questions here. There's quite a few come in already. And the first one is around quality of images. So how do you control the quality? How do you select the useful ones out of the enormous amount of data available from satellites?
Yes, so this is a difficult question. So we several satellite data at first for using. So what is the best model and the cost? So these two things. So model and cost, we choose the best satellite data. And mainly for the developing countries, we want to using free satellite data, but the resolution is a 10-meter Sentinel-2. So if it is difficult, we using the PlanetScope. This is a 3-meter.
Thank you. And you mentioned accuracy for soil checking. Maybe can you just remind Mark and us about the accuracy? Where do you land today?
Accuracy for soil checking? Yes. Soil checking is 80% to 85%.
And then a follow-up question here is, how do you ground truth your data for soil checking?
Yeah, so this ground data is we getting corroborates the math. This is the government of Ministry of Agriculture in Japan, and also in India we collaborate with the cooperative farmers organization. So they pick up the farm soil data. So we getting this data.
And what can you do to improve? Is there anything you can do to improve that accuracy?
Prove the accuracy is so we are separately. One is the training data. The another one is the test data. So we using the training data and making the model and the test for using the test soil data, checking the accuracy.
Thank you. And then in terms of precision, can you determine plant health issues? Can you determine the difference between plant health issues and nutrient deficiencies?
Sorry, I cannot.
Yeah, plant health issues. So can you, in terms of precision, can you determine whether there's a nutrient deficiency or the plant has a different problem? Do you have that sort of precision with your technology yet?
Not yet. So, but now is collaborates the math research center. So now is developing, but not yet to open.
Thank you. And I'm just going to ask one more question, then I'll have to leave, unfortunately. The rest from the chat is, in terms of monitoring options, do you have daily, monthly, yearly monitoring? What would be the most desirable time frame?
Yes. So for using the PlanetScope data, daily watching, but for making the AI polygon, yearly, so 1 year, one shot. And the soil analysis also we can choose. So this is the bared farmland. In that time, we checking the soil situation.
Thank you so much for your excellent pitch, and looking forward to talking to you again soon.